Barbecue.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, Pukwang. How are you?
I'm happy.
Wow, that's great. What did you do today?
Um,
Did you play today?
today.
Okay, so now, Pukwang, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now let's start. Okay. Right, so this is our lesson for tonight. Okay, so let's read it together. I is for ice cream.
I is for ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Okay, one more time. I is for ice cream.
I is for ice cream.
Okay, very good. Do you like ice cream, Pukwang?
No.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so now let's sing the ABC song. Okay, let's sing together.
E
A B
E C T E F G
A
is my
C K
is
L M
is
N O
the
P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now you know your ABCs. Everybody sing with me. Okay. Now let's learn some words. Look at this. What is this? The big
big
I
big I
and the small.
small I.
Okay. All right. So now let's go to this one. Okay. So what letter is this?
Letter E.
Big I.
Big I.
Okay. Now, so the sound of letter I is E, E, E.
E. E. E.
Big I is for
Big I is for
Irene.
Iris.
Okay, one more. Big I is for Irene.
Big I is for Irene.
Okay, very good. Next. Big I is for Ian.
Big I is for Ian.
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 Okay. Next. Okay, so what is this? Big
Big A.
Big I.
Big I. 1, 2.
No, it's one,
1,
two,
2, 3.
three. Okay, that's the big I. Okay, next. What is this? This is small.
Small I.
Okay.
E.
Mm,
E. E.
Okay.
E. E is the ink.
Okay. I is for ink.
I is for ink.
Small I is for ice cream.
Small I is for ice cream.
Okay. All right, next. Okay, so this is small I is for
Is
I
land.
island.
Island.
Okay, one more. Small I is for island.
Small I is for island.
Okay, this one. Small I is for ice.
Small I is for ice.
Okay. All right, next. Okay, so what is this? This is small,
Small
small I.
I.
Okay, so let's make a small I. One, two. Okay. All right, so now, Pukwang, let's play some games. Okay, so let's trace the big I and the small I. One,
Two, three.
three. One, two. Okay, so what is this again? This is the big. What is this, Pukwang? It's the big
Big,
I.
big eye.
Small.
Small eye.
Okay, very good. All right, so now let's sort. Okay, so let's sort the big I and the small I. Okay, let's sort small I.
Small eye.
Big I.
Big eye.
Small I.
Small eye.
Big I.
Big eye.
Small I.
Small eye.
Big I.
Big eye.
Small I.
Small eye.
Big I. Okay, so
Big,
how many big I? How many? How many big I? There are
yeah,
four big I.
four big
How about the
eye.
small I? How many small I?
Small eye.
There are,
Four.
okay, four. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's find and say. Now, where are the I letters? Okay, let's find the letter I. The big I and the small I.
One,
Okay.
two, three, four, five, six, seven.
Okay. Right. So now let's listen and trace. Okay, so big I is for
Is
big. Big I is for
is for
Irene.
iron.
Small I is for
Small I is for
ice.
ice.
Small I is for ice cream. Ice cream.
I to
Ice cream.
ice cream.
Okay. Right, so now let's read some sentences and play. Okay, so let's read Book 1. Irene
And
is cute.
good,
Cute.
cute.
I like
I
Irene.
like Irene.
Okay, one more. Irene is cute.
Irene is so cute.
I like
I like
Irene.
green.
Irene.
Irene.
Okay. Next. Ink
Ink can
can be black.
be black.
Okay, one more. Ink can be black.
Ink can be black.
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 Okay. I can write
I can write
with ink.
with ink.
Okay. Okay, so let's match and say. Okay, so look at this. Number 1, what is that? Big I or small I? What is number 1, Pukwang?
Big I.
Okay, very good. That's a big I. Good job. Number 2, what's number 2? Big I or small?
Number small I.
Okay, small I. Now let's read. Irene is cute.
Irene is cute.
Okay. I can write with ink.
I am like with ink.
Okay, one more. I can write.
I can write with ink.
Okay, very good. All right. I can do it. Okay, let's read. Irene.
Irene ink.
Island.
Island.
Okay, next. Ian.
Ian. Ice cream. Ice.
Okay, very good. All right. So now let's have our next lesson. Okay, so this is our next lesson. Horse and cow.
Oh, and to couch.
Okay, very good. One more time. Horse and cow.
Oh, and cow.
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 Okay. Now let's learn some words and play. Okay. Horse, horse, horse.
Horse, horse, horse.
Okay. The farmer has a horse.
The final horse.
Okay. So look at this word. This is farmer.
The title
Okay.
is horse.
Listen. Farmer.
Farmer. The farmer is a horse.
Okay, one more. The farmer
The
Has
farmer
a horse.
is a horse.
The farmer has
The farmer has
a horse.
a horse.
The farmer has a horse.
The farmer has a horse.
Okay. Next, look at the picture. Look at the picture, Pukwang. Let's read the word. Cow, cow, cow.
A cow.
The farmer has a cow.
The farmer has a cow.
Has.
The farmer has a cow.
Very good. One more. The farmer.
The farmer has cows.
The farmer has a cow.
Farmer has the cow.
Okay, now let's find the horses and the cows. How many horses? Let's find the horse.
3 horse.
3. Okay, let's count. 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Okay. How about this one? This one. Okay. How many cows?
4. 3.
3. Okay. Now let's read and talk. Okay, so let's read. Okay. What does
What the
the
have?
farmer have?
I
The farmer.
have the farmer from the
Mhm.
horse.
Okay, one more. The farmer has a horse.
The farmer has the horse.
Okay. Next. What color is the horse? What?
What the horse is dressed.
Okay, very good. What does the farmer have?
Who has the
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 farmer has the
cow.
farm. Okay, one more. The farmer has.
The farmer has the cow.
Okay, the farmer has a cow. What color is the cow?
The
What color is the cow?
cow is black
And
and white.
okay, one more. The cow is black and white.
The cow is black and cow.
Okay, the cow is black and white.
The cow is black and white.
Okay, now let's play some games. Okay, look at that. What is it? What is it, Pukwang? It's
It's cow.
it's a cow. Next. Yes, it's a cow. Okay, so let's match. Okay, so let's match the cow. Okay, how many
The
cow? Okay.
cow, the horse,
Okay, wait.
Horse.
Okay, the horse. All right. How many cows? There are.
Four cow. Four
Okay,
cow.
cows.
Cow.
How many horses?
Four. Four horse.
4 horses. Okay. Okay, this one. Let's read. Okay, the farmer. Okay, let's read one.
Five. And
The farmer.
the farm.
Farmer. Farmer.
The farmer.
Yes.
Has.
Okay. Has.
Has.
Okay, one more time.
The
The
farm.
farmer has a horse.
The farm. The farmer has the horse.
The farmer has a horse.
The farmer has the horse.
Number 2. The farmer has a cow.
The farmer has the cow.
Okay, one more. The farmer
The farmer has
a cow.
a cow.
Okay, one more time. The farmer has a horse.
The farmer has the horse.
Okay. The farmer has a cow.
The farmer has his cow.
Okay, one more. The farmer has a cow.
The farmer has his cow.
A cow.
The
Cow.
cow.
Guess this one. What does the farmer have? Okay. The
The farmer
farmer
has
farmer
farmer
has
um
okay, one more. The farmer has
the farmer has
a horse.
a horse.
Okay, one more. The farmer
The farmer
has a horse.
a horse.
Okay, one more time. Last one. The farmer has a horse.
The farmer has the horse.
Okay. All right. Got this one. Okay, so what does the farmer have? What does the farmer have? The farmer has
The farmer has
a
a cow.
okay, one more. The farmer
The farmer
cow.
the farmer
The farmer has a cow.
the farmer has the cow.
A cow. Okay. All right. So this one, I can do it. What is this? What is this one? Horse.
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 This one, what is this?
Cow.
Cow. Okay. What is this again? This one is
Horse.
horse.
Cow.
Horse. Okay. This one, this is
Cow.
cow. Cow.
Cow.
Very good. Now let's go to the next page. Right, so this one. The
The
farmer
farmer.
has a horse.
The farmer had the horse.
A horse.
A horse.
Okay, one more. The farmer
The
has
farmer has
a horse.
horse.
The farmer
A horse.
has a horse.
The farmer had the horse.
Has a horse.
The horse.
Okay, next. The farmer has
The farmer has
a
a
cow.
cow.
Okay.
A
The farmer has a cow.
The farmer had
The farmer
cow.
has a cow.
A cow.
Has a cow.
The cow.
Okay. All right. So now, Pukwan, our time is almost over and teacher will need to say goodbye for now. Okay. So thank you so much, Pukwan. You did a great job. Okay. So goodbye for now and see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.